What are the biggest time challenges for your team? Would you like to increase productivity and decrease stress in your organization? With this dynamic, interactive workshop, your team will learn important time management skills. The benefits include greater control over your time, the confidence that you're working on the right things at the right time, and more time freed up for focused work and important projects daily. Here are the 7 topics I cover in the workshop. 1. Time choices. We cover what are the best choices for your workday, including determining your most productive time of day. 2. Work-life balance. Focuses on the tips and ideas for balancing work and life. We cover how to do the top priorities and still have time for a personal life. 3. Priorities and planning. How to plan effectively and schedule your tasks realistically into the week. Also, we cover Eisenhower's time matrix, a must for prioritizing. 4 is time estimation. How long do tasks really take? 5. Time-saving email strategies. 6. Handling interruptions. And finally, 7. Fitting in time for your focused work and important projects. You'll see several benefits from this training. Once your team manages time well, everyone will have time for goals and what's important. You'll leave behind the feeling of being overwhelmed, of never catching up, and not having enough time for your personal life. So you'll have more control over your time. By practicing the time management skills I teach, you'll do what works consistently and get results. Just imagine how this seminar will change things for your team. Call me today or fill out the form and we'll get started.